Behind almost every single wine label, there's a little phrase, contains sulfites. Sounds pretty scary, right? Like a warning sign or a guaranteed headache. But first, let's clear up a quick fact. There is no such a thing as a zero sulfite wine. During fermentation, yeast naturally produces sulfur. Nature actually uses it as a shield. Just think of garlic, onions, cheese or eggs. So why the scary warning on every single bottle? Well, about 3% of the population has asthma, and out of those people, only about 5% actually react to sulfites. Do the math, and that's less than 0.2% of the total population. Meaning, for almost everyone out there, that warning is completely irrelevant. In these tiny amounts, sulfate is about as dangerous as a cotton ball, unless of course you are allergic to cotton. Humans have been using sulfur since ancient times. It's basically the seatbelt of the wine world. It acts as an antioxidant, stopping the wine from turning brown and stale like an old apple. It's also an antiseptic, keeping the bad bacteria in check. Without sulfites, wine would just follow its natural destiny and turn it into vinegar. And let's be honest, we want to drink wine, not dress a salad. If you are genuinely afraid of sulfites in your wine, you should probably run for your life next time you see a dried apricot. Potato chips and dried fruits have about 10 times more sulfites than a bottle of wine. And as for that headache that next morning, science has already closed the case. Sulfites are completely innocent. Hangovers actually come down to 3 things: dehydration, not drinking enough water, histamines or tannins, or just plain old drinking too much alcohol. Bottom line, sulfites aren't some nasty chemical. They are a guarantee of quality craftsmanship. They protect the aromas we all love so much. Natural wines can be a super interesting experience, sure, but they're highly unstable. Right after you cheers, the wine can already start getting cloudy. If you want a wine that's clean, precise, and doesn't taste like vinegar, you just can't do without this protective shield.